Ngayon pa lang ay marami na nga ang excited at talagang nag-aabang sa magiging baliktambalan nila Kim at Paulo Avellino, at sa ginanap na shooting nila kahapon kasama si Mr. Jake Cuenca ay marami nga ang nakasaksi at natuwa sa pagiging close nila ni Kim at Paulo habang sila ay nakapahinga sa kanilang pag-shoot. Hindi rin naman may tago ni Vice ang pagka-proud nito kay Kim, at ayon nga dito ay si Kim ang pinaka-successful at pinaka-in-demand na artista ngayon.
Most in demand and the most successful actress now.
Yes!
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of my culture.
Diba?
Diba?
Thank you so much,
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Samantala nag-tweet naman si Jake ng ICU na tila para sa mga fans nito na nag-iintay at mga nag-abang sa kanya para maging leading man ni Kim.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be like
Out of the body Jake Hughes. And sound camera. ID please, rolling. Outboard. Rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling back.
between a rock and a hard